What's the meaning of absentia? Absentia. 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 The term in absentia is a Latin phrase that means in the absence of. It is often used in legal contexts to describe a trial or hearing that takes place without the presence of one or more of the parties involved. In absentia, trials can be controversial, as they can deprive the defendant of the opportunity to defend themselves in person. However, they may be necessary in some cases, such as when the defendant is a fugitive or when they are unable to attend the trial due to illness or other extenuating circumstances.